a little tool pouch with the Allen wrench. And there's all the parts laid out. It's interesting material. I don't know if it's going to pick up lint. But it's nice and soft. Little bumps. First thing we're going to do, attach these legs, this little 5-armed piece. Line up the holes. Then we'll attach these M6 by 14 millimeter, 10 of them, hex head bolts into here. With all the bolts started, you can use the supplied Allen wrench. But what I do is I have extra Allen wrenches. I cut the 90-degree off, and then I just use a drill and do a final tightening by hand. Take that cap off. I'm going to take these two legs and push these caster wheels in here until they snap in. We're going to put these washers on. This is how they came out of the package. I'm going to leave them in that order. They go on top. Now we've got this big cushion. These legs are going to go on here. See the 3 holes? It's going to go like that. See the curve goes to the bottom. Like that. We'll put another one on here. And we're going to put this little bracket on the back. You can see where the holes are. 3 holes. And for that we're using the M6 by 18 millimeter bolts, 9 of them. Be careful when you put these in here because these are little threaded inserts into probably some type of press board, so you don't want to strip them out or yank out the threaded insert. Okay, we've got this on. This is pointed to the bottom of the chair, like constructed. Now we're going to put this thing we just added the legs to on top of the stand. It's going to go into this hole, the spindle. Get the back, put this brace on the longer part of the L shape with 4 bolts, and if you look here, not really labeled which is what, but this one has 4 holes, that has 6, so we're going to use the smaller one. And you see there are 4 holes in the back, but there are 6 holes here, so you can adjust it the height you want. We only have 4 bolts to use for that, and so whichever these 2 holes you don't have, they have little plastic caps that will go over to cover the hole. I don't know which one to adjust, so I made this go the highest. You can put little caps in here. Next we're going to put this height adjuster on. There's 4 holes back here, and the other holes are going to put the backrest. Now you see a little arrow here. I presume that points to that arrow. If you look at the instructions, it shows a wider bottom, but I can't really tell what that is. So I'm just going to go point it in the same direction as the arrow. M6 by 18 millimeter. There's 4 more of them. When I put this one on, I used a drill. Had to push down a bit on it to get this to get down through the height of this cushiony fabric. So if you're going to use the hand Allen wrench, you're going to have to push down pretty well. Now we're going to add the back on with 4 M6 by 25 bolts. They're going to go on here. Again, I'm using a drill. This seems to be a lot easier than doing that manual Allen wrench. My back, forgot to put the wheels on bottom of these legs. Let me go put them in there. Now we're going to put the seat in the back on this stool. I'm just turning this over on this little gas shock. Remember, no one's allowed to sit on the front third of the stool. Don't sit here. You tip the thing over. So you got the little lever here. Lift up, lift down. Lift it up. Sit on it, lift the lever, it'll go down. Come off of it, lift the lever to go up. There you go. Swing it around. And that was nice. They gave you one spare bolt for each size and a plastic plug.